Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write essay Our Holy Prophet. Let's get started. Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ is our holy prophet. He ﷺ was born in Mecca in 571 AD. His father's name was Abdullah. His mother's name was Amna. When he ﷺ was 40, he was chosen the Prophet of Allah. At that time, the people worshipped idols. He ﷺ asked them to give up worshipping idols. He ﷺ advised them to believe in one Allah. The people turned against him. He ﷺ had to migrate to Medina. Islam began to spread rapidly. The Meccans could not tolerate it. Many battles were fought. At last, the Muslims entered Mecca as conquerors. Islam spread to the other countries of the world. He ﷺ died at the age of 63. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.